What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say a thank you to all of you viewers for helping me out, giving me all the support I needed to get here. Before I start, also I just want to thank my brother. He's played a major part of all the motivation and stuff that I needed to push on through this YouTube career. And I want to say a big thank you to him too. Lots of love to him. This box came pretty well sealed and packed. There is another thing inside this box that's apart from the one we're doing today, and I will show you that too. Let's just get this open with. Okay, so what's in this box? This first thing is not important. Oh, this first thing is not important. Okay, so we're talking about the other two things in this box. So number one, we're gonna unbox the iPad 10th generation. It came in a nice, cool box. The seal has a little dent, but then it's still sealed, so which is good. I went with the 64 GB variant right here because the other one's just too expensive. Yeah, and this is the Wi-Fi version, not the cellular one, so makes it even cheaper. And I got it in the Great Indian Festival sale on Amazon, so I got it for the price of 27,000, around that part, 27,999, something like that. So now without further ado, let's check what's in the box. So we're gonna remove these seals and see if we get a satisfying peel. It's nice. I'm gonna do the other one too. Sweet. And now let's unbox. Nice. So, and the cover is basic cover. It has a few details here, and that's pretty much it. Keep that aside. So what's in the box? First you get the iPad itself. It's very light. I got the silver color because I love white and silver. It's just the best thing ever. Yep. So we're gonna talk about this later. And this is the user manuals and the guides right here. Let's have a look at what you get before we proceed. We have iPad, as you can see. Welcome to iPad. A few gestures, shortcut stuff, just a few tips. Yep. What else do you get? This thing is actually pretty hard. Okay, I think it's just that way. Okay, let's push this back in. And then you have a few details here. We're not going to go through this, just some thing about the battery and stuff like that. So we can just put that there. We also have two Apple stickers. I love these Apple stickers. They're so good. And I also have another one from the iPhone that I bought. So let's see what we can do with these stickers. For now, we'll just put them aside. Back in there. So in the box right here, as you can see, there's not a lot going on. You have a, I'm pretty sure, 20-watt Apple charger. Let me just go ahead and read that. Yep, it says 20 watts right there. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, but it's a 20-watt charger. And let's go ahead and open this. Nice. Yeah, it's very grippy. Not what I was expecting, but that's cool. And we also get a braided Type-C to Type-C cable. Yeah, these braided cables are coming up new now. All the new devices of Apple's, they have this braiding cable. It's such a good quality, and it's tangle free, which is the best thing ever. You can just move around, do whatever you want with it. It'll always be tangle free. Very high quality, and when it comes to charging my iPhone with this cable, it charges really fast. So we get that in the box, and now we can put all of this aside, and we're going to boot up the the iPad itself. We'll keep this as a stand for it. Right. So here's the iPad. Let's boot it up and see what's going on. Gotta do the peel. And then I guess we slide it out. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So first impressions, build quality is amazing. It has a metalish body. Yeah, this is, I think, aluminium. If I'm wrong, you all can correct me in the comments, but it has such a good build. Like, I'm loving it already. So let's look around. This is the contacts for the Magic Folio case, the one with the keyboard. So the keyboard gets its power and data from this. Then on top we have two of the quad speakers along with the power come touch ID button. We have the volume buttons right here, and on the lower we have the other two of the quad speakers, and we have type C. Pretty good. So now we're going to power this on and see what's going on here. Okay, so welcome to iPad. I'm gonna get started. So now we have come to the home screen of the iPad. Pretty smooth, considering it's 60 Hertz, still smooth. And here we have the control center. You swipe up when we open like apps. You swipe up. You can get the taskbar here to see what processes. If we swipe up from the end of the screen right here, from the black part up, we get the stuff. And if we do this, we can go to like the recent page. Pretty smooth screen. I like the colors, everything is nice. Now we're going to set this up in depth in the settings and get back to you with the review next.